Hi guys, today we're gonna do an unboxing of Samsung first world do-it-all screen monitor. Right. Okay, let's look at this. Right. Samsung 32-inch 4K world first do-it-all screen monitor. Alright, so let's do the unboxing. Done. Okay. Alright guys, the monitor. Right. Here the controller. The power cable. And the monitor stand. Okay, so let's take out the monitor stand. Okay, there's two screws here. Okay, so you got it. Okay, first we screw this to the stand here. Yes, so after you tighten the screw, the back, okay, the next step to do is to fix the monitor to this section here. Right. Okay, you can see that. So next thing is to attach the screws. attach the other screw to this area. Okay, you're done. Right, so you can see the back of the monitor here. There's 3 USB ports. Right, USB port, power socket here. Right. Look at this. Right. 32-inch 4K monitor. Alright, this screen basically is a world first do-it-all screen. Okay, you can do remote access to your work laptop, work desktop in your office. Right. At the same time, this has a built-in YouTube, HBO, Netflix. Right, you can use this to control. Right, you can also use your handphone to screen mirror to here. Right, wireless. Right, you just tap your phone onto this monitor and it will mirror into this monitor. Right, other than that, is using Bixby. Right, you can use this to control voice control as well. Okay, you can connect your mobile phone to this monitor by Samsung DeX. Right, and it has a USB Type-C connector for even data transfer as well as charging. Right, and in this monitor you can also connect to Office 365. What do you think about this monitor? Right, you can see the size, 32-inch. Right. So it has a very nice design. It's black color, the surface, the color. Right. Right. You can tilt, right? But the height is not adjustable. Yes, screen brightness is 250 nits. Right, it has 2 speakers, 5 watt each, so it's about 10 watts total. Right, 2 HDMI ports, 3 USB port, 1 USB-C port. Right, and and you can see the bezel is right at the edge. Yeah, 3-sided, very close to the edge, except the bottom here. Right, and the finishing looks pretty good. Yeah, the stand is stable. Yeah, but the only thing that the height cannot be extendable. Right, it can only tilt. Right, tilt. So yeah, overall I think in my opinion is a very nice monitor. So what do you think? Drop me a comments. What do you think about this monitor? Let me know. So I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe and click the notification button for more updates on my future videos. So see you guys.